Hey guys, today we are here to review a movie, Officer on Duty. It's a Malayalam movie. I think I love the movie.
मूवी स्टार्ट केली तूं आख्खो चोवपा स्टार्ट केलो 10 मिनट कांयच कळपाना फूल कन्फ्युजींग आहा ऑफिसर येता जो डिमोट जालो आहा बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रिवियस केस आनी तेका भरपूर स्ट्रिक्ट दाखयला एक प्रेग्नंट लेडी आसा जी रॉबरी करता तेका पासून तो कितकोन हँडल करता बरो टफ आहा
जे भाशेन he catches like a bigger gang.
ज्वेलरी रॉबरी जाता थिंगसोन तेगे जी प्रिवियस केस आहा बिकॉज ऑफ वीच ही वॉज डिमोटेड ते केसी कडेन ती कनेक्टेड आसता आनी जे भाशेन तेम ते कनेक्शन दाखयलां
Jaw dropping.
जॉ ड्रॉपिंग मूवी फास्ट हांव राती को 12 मूवी स्टार्ट केली बाकी आनी केन्ना मूवी चोय जाल्यार म्हाका न्हीद येता बट ही मूवी हांव फूल एशको स्कीप कोन वचना विदाउट टेकिंग इवन अ ब्रेक टू पी लास्ट एंडिंग पार्ट तुमकां आनी बरो लागतलो बिकॉज
Very satisfying.
Yeah.
The best part, I think, when you get to know why he's so much into this case, into the finding of the culprits, why the other officers are stopping him from finding the culprits. Like, the bond kota hai and you feel like the system is at fault, but actually, system is
not at fault.
It's not at
System
fault.
fault आसना
So
ते
you
तेका
should-
सेव करपा सोदताय
Exactly, they're trying to
Direction,
protect.
mind blowing.
We should have watched it in the theaters because
my
the
God.
last part Asatsa is the most satisfying part for any person who is lost like a child in this such cases. It's like a whistling moment. You just want to stand and give like a standing ovation and be like, yeah, you did a good thing, and your blood boils up in a different manner. I was like jumping on the bed. I was so happy that this happened. But yeah,
Out of 5 stars we give them
5 stars.
5 stars